In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a virtual product in WooCommerce fast and easy. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide, designed to help you smoothly navigate through WooCommerce and efficiently add a virtual product to your online store. This process will be straightforward, so by the end of our session today, you'll be ready to expand your virtual offerings. Start off by heading to your WordPress dashboard. This is where you control the entirety of your WordPress site, including everything related to your e-commerce activities. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Products tab on the left-hand sidebar and click on it. This section is where you manage all of your products, both physical and virtual. And making changes here equips your WooCommerce store with the latest and greatest offerings you want to provide. Once you've clicked on the Products tab, look for the Add New button. It's usually at the top of the page. Clicking this will allow you to begin the process of adding a new product to your store. Now that you've arrived at the new product page, it's time to give your product a title. The title should be both descriptive and enticing, as it will be one of the first things that customers see when browsing your store. Below the title, you'll find a large text box for the product description. Here, you'll want to provide detailed information about your virtual product. Describe its features, benefits, and any other relevant details that will help customers understand what they're purchasing. Good descriptions not only improve your customer experience, but also enhance your search engine optimization, helping new customers discover your site. Now scroll down to the Product Data section. It's vital to make sure your product is correctly set up here, since this is where you define the type of product you are creating. Within this section, look for the Virtual checkbox. Enabling this option is crucial because it tells WooCommerce that the product doesn't require shipping. This feature is perfect for products like ebooks, online courses, or digital files. Once you've enabled the virtual option, review your product details to ensure everything is set up correctly. It's always a good idea to double-check your entries to avoid any potential issues later on. When you feel confident with what you've input, it's time to publish. Locate and click on the Publish button. This step pushes your new virtual product live on your store, making it available for purchase. And there you have it. You've successfully added a virtual product to your WooCommerce store. Remember, the ease and speed of this process can vary depending on your familiarity with WordPress and WooCommerce, but practice makes perfect.